This video will be a review of the Dyna-Glo DGX780BDC-D smoker. It'll be a review of the Dyna-Glo smoker. Wow, the bugger's heavy. First of all, this thing weighs 63 pounds, almost 64 pounds. So it's pretty solid. Quick note, this is a smoker, not a smoker grill. So if you're looking for a smoker grill, this ain't it. Alright, so let's unbox it, see what we got. Okay, so here it is out of the box. And yeah, I'm working in the rain. Kind of just sprinkly right now. Okay, so I brought this inside because it started to sprinkle outside just a little bit. Don't tell my wife. Loud. Okay, so first thing it says to remove. Oh, that's bent, dude. That's not very pleasing. It says to remove the doors. Should be a lot easier if it wasn't dented. That door off. That one off. Lots of shipping damage. Okay, so used a hammer and dolly and straightened that out a bit. Not exactly super happy about that damage. Okay, it says to put the feet on first. Okay, so there's 3 screws and 4 legs. Light goes on. A little bit easier without the doors on. Okay, next the louvers will go on, and there's 8 shouldered screws to mount them on with. Okay, so put that in, and then there's screws with nuts, and there's shouldered screws. Okay, I'm using a 5/16 inch wrench on this. And the side vent is on now. Moves easily. Got both of them on. Now let's see what's next. Okay, next is the chimney. Okay, that was actually the chimney too. Yeah, look at that, it's even keyed. So it'll only go on one way. I've read on several reviews it's a good idea to seal this. I purchased some seal, but I'm going to use it on the doors first, and if I have some left over I may come back and redo this. But it looks like it ought to be pretty good. So these are threaded inserts, so no need to put nuts on the back side of this one. Okay, chimney's on. Okay, so next I'm going to show you this picture, just in case I can't see it good in there. Next you put it on the chip box supports into the bottom. Okay, so these are the chip box supports. They're the bigger ones. They go on the bottom, and then this goes into the top portion of the racks. Okay, for ease of access, I'm just going to leave these doors off. So when you go to do this, take the doors off and leave them off till pretty much the end. It looks like the support's going this way. There we go. Okay, so it looks as though there's not enough supports for each hole. So I'm just going to go in here and take out every other one. There we go with all the supports in. Okay, next is the 3 latches to go on. They go on with the screws CC right here. And again, I'm leaving the door off until I'm done, pretty much. Okay, next is the lifting handles. One on each side, and these are attached with the AA screws. And repeat for the other side. Okay, the next step is to put the door handles on the doors, which by the instructions are already on, but I found it was easier to deal with it with them off. And through a lot of reviews I've been seeing, they're talking about smoke escaping. around the corners or the edges of the doors here. So I am going to put on some smoker gasket on here, hopefully to alleviate that issue. Hopefully to eliminate that issue. Alleviate? Eliminate? I don't know, whatever it is. Okay, now to put the handles on. Wow, it's beyond tight with that gasket. That's awesome. Attach the thermometer. That's plenty tight. Okay, put all the grates in. I can taste that brisket already. Okay, last you put the charcoal box in. So. Grate goes in. And put the lid. The chip box goes right there. Slide that in, and I just start a fire and break it in. Okay, so getting the briquette started. I always love using these chimneys rather than lighter fluid. You don't have the nasty taste of lighter fluid when you do it that way. So once the briquettes get going, then I'll put them in the smoker and go ahead and season it as it states. By the way, it does recommend against using matchlight type briquettes in here. But it does say you can use charcoal lighter fluid. Not sure what the difference is, but I never use either anyway. Just go with the chimney like this, and life will be good. So once this gets heated up good, then I'll put it into the charcoal box and break it in, get it seasoned. Well, this is kind of nice. It's raining while I'm doing the break-in, the seasoning. But what's kind of nice about it is it's holding temperature. All I've got in there is just the starter charcoal I put in there. It's been going for about, I don't know, 30-40 minutes at least, and it's holding temperature well. Not much smoke is getting out with that seal that I put on there. So I like it so far. Alright, so seasoning's all done, and it's actually raining while it was being seasoned, and it held temperature good. So there we go, just pull that out, empty it out. So that is a 15-pound brisket. Yeah, it's 15-pound brisket sitting inside here. Kind of tight, but I put it in there kind of sideways, diagonally. Put it in there diagonally. It seems to be working okay. So as soon as the chimney gets the fire ready, I will keep this thing rolling. Got some mesquite in there in the wood box. Then we're going to have some brisket. There we go, I got my first brisket in there, and it's looking tasty. It's after 12 hours of smoking. I like the smoker. It needs to be a little thicker, and the shipping damage wasn't too satisfying, but I like it overall.
Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please select like down there and subscribe to my channel. If you didn't like it, well, subscribe to the channel, maybe you like the next one. Thank you for watching.
This video will be a review. Blah, blah.